Hello guys, I'm here to talk about Gram Free. Now, Gram Free is one of the cryptocurrencies that enables us to make money. Now, how does Gram Free work? Well, it's quite simple because you don't need any investment to start it. You just have to have a Gmail account or a Facebook account. Then you use it to what? To log in. Now, when you might have logged in, the first thing you need to do is to start up a smart contract, and each smart contract will earn you 0.3 grams. But if you choose to start up a risky contract, you earn 0.7 grams, and each smart contract ends every day. Now, the next day, you start up a new contract. But the next thing to do in order to win grams is to watch videos. Now, you'll be given 10 videos each day to watch, and each of the videos will give you 0.1 grams. And the next thing you will go to is free. When you enter free, you roll. When you get a lucky number, grams will also be added to you. And the next thing you can also do to win more grams is to refer people. The more people you introduce into Gram Free, the more money you make. So, if you check it, it's better than doing nothing. It's better for those who are using their data to do things that won't benefit them to start Gram Free now and hope for the best and hope for a better outcome. And not to forget, 500 grams is equivalent to $1,000, and you can only withdraw from Gram Free when you have 500 grams. So you know that $1,000 is not a small money. So what are you waiting for? Start up Gram Free now and you won't regret it. Thank you.